Hi guys, we received this 5-tier kitchen storage card for reviewing purposes. Let's open it up and let's see what comes inside, okay? It's a 5-tier basket that you can use with wheels to hang your fruit and everything, okay? We have all the pieces protected with bubble wrap, okay? We have everything that we are gonna need to do the assembly process, all the different baskets and everything. And here we have the instruction manual with all the different steps on how to use it, which I think that it's really nice, and all the baskets really well protected, as you can see. Okay, and well, let's go ahead and start assembling everything up, and let's see how it looks and how it works. Okay, come on. Okay guys, the assembly process is actually really simple. It doesn't take that much long. You just have to take the bracket and snap it on between each basket, and I think that it's nice because you can also select how many tiers that you want, up to 5, and it has a locking mechanism in the wheel, so you can take them anywhere and you can lock it up in place, which I think that makes it for an excellent corner storage or any storage solution to take around with you, which I think is going to be really great. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already assembled up, and I think that it's great because it has the tires. You can take it with you and place it however you want up on your kitchen, and you can lock it in place with the wheels and everything. And I think that it's gonna be really nice to have around house in your kitchen. That way you got all your things at hand, and you can not just use it only in your kitchen. You can use it anywhere in your house that you could use these kinds of basket with wheels. And overall, I think that they are really nice. They feel of an amazing quality, and I would really recommend them. See you guys.